At the heart of every washer is the main bearing assembly. This critical component carries the entire weight of the wash wheel, water and wash load during agitation, and most importantly, high-speed extraction. Yamamoto's bearing design not only meets but exceeds requirements to handle their load. Built to precise standards, our bearing assembly outperforms and outlasts all competitors. You can count on our main bearing assembly to last a lifetime. This is accomplished partially by our triple water seal design that ensures water will not invade the permanently grease-sealed bearings. To keep their seals in like-new condition, you simply change the automatic seal lubricator cartridge every 6 months.